Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix a slow PC running Windows 11 using quick and easy tips. First, restart your PC. This clears temporary files and frees up memory. Next, check for background apps. Open Task Manager from the taskbar. In the Processes tab, look for apps using a lot of CPU or memory and close them if you do not need them. You can also manage startup apps. In Task Manager, click the Startup tab and turn off programs you do not want to run when your PC starts. This can help your computer start faster. Make sure Windows is up to date. Go to Settings, then Windows Update and install any available updates. Updates often include fixes that make your PC run smoother. If your storage is almost full, open Settings, then System, then Storage. Use Storage Sense to automatically delete temporary files and free up space. Run a virus scan to check for malware. Open Windows Security, choose Virus and Threat Protection, and run a full scan. Another method is to change your performance settings. Press the Windows key, type View Advanced System Settings, and open it. Under the Performance section, click Settings. Choose Adjust for Best Performance and click OK. This will turn off visual effects and make your PC run faster. Follow these steps and you should see your PC's speed improve. Thanks for watching.